Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos Creative Creation, and in today's video we're going to be creating some custom hand sanitizer bottle labels over on Canva. These are for the 2-ounce bottles. I'm going to show you how to create the labels, print and assemble, so make sure you watch the video until the end. If you all find the video helpful, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so the first thing we want to do is head on over to canva.com and log into your account, or create a free account if you don't already have one. We can either select the shortcut option, which is going to be the menu here. We need our page size to be 8 by 5 by 11, or you can go up to create a design, select custom size, make sure it's in inches, and type in 8.5 by 11 and select create a new. Once your blank canvas pulls up, we can create our template, and it's just going to be a simple shape. So you're going to head on over to elements, you're going to select lines and shapes, Alright guys, I should also mention that the measurements that I'm going to be giving you in this video are for this particular bottle of hand sanitizer. If you're going to be using a different bottle or a different size bottle, you will have to measure your labels yourself to create your template. To find out what size labels you need to create for your bottles, take a tape measure and measure the length and width of the pre-existent label that's already on your hand sanitizer bottles, and put in those numbers for your measurements. Alright, so now that we have our shape selected, we can do this two different ways. We can size it down to the size that we need our labels to be. Alright, from here you can start creating your design. This label is super small, so you can zoom in on the page so that you can see better. After you have everything that you want on the label, what you'll do, you'll group everything together, highlight it and group it together, and just make duplicate copies of the label to fill up your page. I wanted to show you the second option, because if you're like me, working on those smaller labels, even with the page zoomed in, it's still really hard to see. And it's much easier for me to create my design on a larger label first and then resize it down. So that's what I have done here. You select your shape, make it as large as possible, create your design, group everything together, and then resize it to the size that you need your labels to be, and just copy and paste your labels to fill up your page. For those of you who are interested in the pre-made version of this template, you can find the link for it in the description box down below. I have both options available where you can start off, all of the labels are already set up for you. You select your label and start creating your design. If you want all of your labels to be the same, you will just highlight the first label, group everything together, and just make a duplicate copy of each label to fill up your page. I also have the second option available. If you prefer to work on a larger label first, then resize it. Now, I should also mention, for instance, if you wanted to use an image for your background, you can upload that image by going over to the Upload tab, or you can select the folder where you have your image saved. If you have Canva Pro, you can save your images in different folders. You select the image, and you're going to have to resize your image to fit that area. The only difference, your corners are not going to be round, but you can continue to add to your design. After you're finished, you're going to still group everything together. You're going to right click. You're going to scroll down to your full page, and you're going to paste. And you're going to resize. Now, if you cannot right click and copy and paste, what you can do is just drag and drop your image to your full page and just resize it from there. Alright guys, so now it's time for us to print our labels, and we can print these out using regular copy paper, or you can use photo paper if you prefer that glossy finish. An affordable way to make your labels waterproof is to apply them using clear packing tape. You could also purchase some waterproof sticker paper. I recently did a video where I reviewed some waterproof paper that I found on Amazon that worked very well. And I'll leave that video link up above, and I'll leave a link to the paper from Amazon in the description box down below. In this video, I'm going to be printing my labels out on glossy photo paper, and I'm going to use the clear packing tape to apply. Alright guys, I hope you all found the video helpful. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and share it with anyone who you think it may be helpful to. If you're interested in the pre-made version of this template, you can find a link for it in the description box down below, along with all the materials that I use to assemble. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.